right outside the Damascus gate, still in the old city of Jerusalem, but we're at a really fun place. It's called either King Solomon's Copper Mines or Zedekiah's Cave. What's really interesting about this is that this is the quarry that King Solomon would have used to hew his stones for the temple. And you can imagine the vastness here. But how was it discovered? It was hidden for so long. But in 1854, an American physician was walking his dog, James Barclay, who also, there's like several other things in the old city named after him, discoveries of the arch and other things. But James Barclay was walking his dog right here, and his dog broke away and went into a hole. James Barclay was all worried. He got down in the hole and found this huge, gigantic quarry. So he went back with his sons the next day with flashlights and could not believe the vastness of this. This is where King Solomon would have had his slaves come and chisel out all the stones, these big, gigantic rocks that you now see on the wall in the old city. So let's go down deeper and see what's down there. Right now, I am standing in the largest man-made cave right here in the old city of Jerusalem. This is the largest man-made cave that's called King Solomon's Quarries or King Zedekiah's cave. Anyway, this limestone, which is really just special right here in Israel, is easy for the slaves to chisel out, and they didn't use any iron. Some of these stones were known to be almost 10 tons. As you can see, the vastness of this. Actually, these caves aren't even fully excavated or even discovered. There's hundreds of caves that they're still finding today. This limestone that they have found here is called the royal stone. It's only local here. It's amazing. Anyway, I'm going to show you some other things, so come with me. This is the cave that the Jews believe that Zedekiah escaped from. He was the last king of Judah. They believe this is where he would have left through one of the tunnels where King Nebuchadnezzar would have caught him and the Chaldeans. There's so many different caves, but this is really where they believed it happened. Right up here, there's little dribblings of water that they call Zedekiah's tears, because they believe that's pretty close to where he got caught by the Chaldeans. This cave is really amazing, but also, I'll tell you a little something else. This is also where the Freemasons and witchcraft happens in here all the time. So it has a lot of different meanings, so a lot of different people, but we're covered in the blood of Jesus, just so you know. And I hope you enjoy this cave. It's amazing. Hey, if you guys like this cave as much as I do, watch me on YouTube, Instagram, but also come to Israel, and I'll actually bring you here. You get to see it yourself. Come on, follow me.